Welcome to Ample Blaze's video tutorial on how to set up specific tabs to open up on Google Chrome each time you open up Google Chrome. So let's say you work in an office and there's specific websites, tabs that you have to have open all the time every day. Instead of you opening them manually each time, you open Google Chrome once and it opens up everything in the one hit. So I'm just going to do that now. Let's say I want my email first. That opens up my email. Then I want my calendar. Then I want my Google Drive. And let's say we want Ample Blaze as well. Let's say these are the websites and tabs that you need open on a daily basis. And also, what you can do is, if you're not happy with this order, you can change the order. You can say you want Google Drive to be over here, you want the home page to be over there, then your email. If you're not happy with that, you can switch it across. I like it actually this way. And we'll move Google Calendar over here. Once you've got it in the order that you want, then all you need to do is go to the three dots up the corner and then click on Settings and then scroll down, and then you've got On Startup. You then can click on Open Specific Pages or a set of pages. Specific page or set of pages. Now this puts it automatically in the order that you want. You can see that this is probably something that I set up in the past. Let's say I don't want any of this stuff, so I can remove them. And then open specific pages and use current pages that I've got there. So you just hit that and it's got it in the order that I want. And let's say that that's it. There is no save button, so it automatically saves. So you can close Google Chrome down. And then when you open up Google Chrome, you can see it's opening up my email. It's opening up Google Calendar, My Drive, and the services of Ample Blaze. And that's how you basically set up specific pages on Google Chrome browser. Thanks for watching.